Hi, Sarah. Today we're going to discuss the top 5 herbal teas that can help improve your sleep. These teas have been used for centuries for their calming and sleep-inducing properties. We'll go through each one and understand how they work. Let's start with chamomile tea.
That sounds great, Dr. Mike. I've heard a lot about chamomile tea, but never really understood why it's good for sleep. Can you explain it?
Absolutely, Sarah. Chamomile tea is one of the most well-known herbal teas for promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality. The key component in chamomile that aids in sleep is an antioxidant called apigenin. Apigenin binds to certain receptors in your brain, specifically those that help reduce anxiety and initiate sleepiness.
Interesting. How exactly does apigenin help us sleep better?
Think of it this way. Your brain has various receptors that act like switches. Apigenin binds to the receptors that turn on the calm and sleepy switch. By doing this, it helps to reduce insomnia and promotes a sense of relaxation. It's similar to how some medications work, but chamomile tea is a natural option with fewer side effects.
So, drinking chamomile tea before bed can help calm you down and make it easier to fall asleep?
Exactly. In fact, a lot of people have a bedtime routine that includes a cup of chamomile tea. It's a way to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Picture this. You've had a long day, you're feeling a bit stressed, and you make yourself a warm cup of chamomile tea. The warmth of the tea, combined with the calming effects of apigenin, helps relax your mind and body, preparing you for a good night's sleep.
That makes a lot of sense. I've noticed that sometimes just the act of having a warm drink before bed can be soothing. I guess chamomile tea has that extra benefit because of the apigenin.
Exactly right, Sarah. It's a perfect example of how herbal remedies can complement our routines to improve health. Plus, chamomile tea is caffeine-free, so it won't keep you awake like some other teas might.
This is really fascinating. I'll definitely consider adding chamomile tea to my nighttime routine. What's the next tea on the list?
Let's move on to the second tea on our list, lavender tea.
I've always loved the smell of lavender. Does the tea smell the same? And how does it help with sleep?
Yes, lavender tea does have a similar soothing aroma to the plant itself, which is one of its key benefits. The aroma of lavender is known for its calming effects, which can help reduce stress and anxiety, two common culprits of poor sleep. Drinking lavender tea before bed can help you relax and achieve a more restful sleep.
That sounds lovely. How exactly does the aroma of lavender help with stress and anxiety?
The scent of lavender has been shown to affect the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for relaxation. When you inhale the aroma, it can slow down your heart rate and lower your blood pressure, creating a calming effect. It's similar to how aromatherapy works.
So just by smelling it, you can start to feel more relaxed?
Exactly. Now, when you drink lavender tea, you get the added benefit of ingesting the compounds that contribute to its calming properties. These compounds can have a mild sedative effect, which helps to enhance sleep quality. It's like a twofold approach. The aroma calms your mind and the compounds help your body to relax.
That's really interesting. I guess that's why some people use lavender-scented pillows or diffusers in their bedrooms.
Yes, those are all part of creating a sleep-friendly environment. Adding a cup of lavender tea to your nighttime routine can amplify these effects. Imagine sitting quietly with a warm cup of lavender tea, breathing in its soothing aroma. It's a wonderful way to prepare for bed and signal to your body that it's time to unwind.
It sounds like a great way to end the day. I can definitely see how it would help with sleep. What's the next tea we'll talk about?
Great, let's move on to the third tea, valerian root tea.
I've heard of valerian root, but I don't know much about it. How does it help with sleep?
Valerian root is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia and anxiety. It can help you fall asleep faster and improve the quality of your sleep. The root contains compounds such as valerianic acid and various antioxidants that can act on the brain to induce calmness and relaxation.
That sounds promising. How do these compounds work in our brain to help us sleep?
Think of valerianic acid as a sort of natural tranquilizer. It works by increasing the levels of a neurotransmitter called gamma aminobutyric acid, or GABA, in the brain. GABA has an inhibitory effect on the nervous system, which means it reduces neuronal excitability. In simple terms, it helps to calm the brain down, making it easier to fall asleep.
So, valerian root tea helps by calming the brain and making us feel more relaxed?
Exactly. It's particularly helpful for people who have trouble falling asleep because their mind is racing with thoughts. By promoting a sense of calm and reducing anxiety, valerian root tea can make it easier to drift off to sleep.
Are there any side effects or things to be cautious about with valerian root tea?
Generally, valerian root is considered safe, but some people might experience mild side effects like headaches, dizziness, or stomach upset. It's also important not to combine it with other sedatives or alcohol, as it can enhance their effects. As always, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding a new herbal remedy to your routine.
That's good to know. It sounds like valerian root tea can be really effective for people struggling with insomnia or anxiety. What's the next tea on our list?
All right, let's move on to the fourth tea on our list, lemon balm tea.
Lemon balm sounds refreshing. How does it help with sleep?
Lemon balm is a member of the mint family and is known for its calming and sleep-inducing properties. It's particularly good at reducing stress and improving mood, which can make it easier to drift off to sleep. The key components in lemon balm are rosmarinic acid and other flavonoids that have a mild sedative effect.
How does rosmarinic acid work to help us sleep?
Rosmarinic acid has been shown to increase the availability of GABA in the brain, similar to valerian root. By doing this, it helps to promote a sense of calm and reduce feelings of anxiety. This can be particularly helpful if you're feeling stressed or have a lot on your mind before bedtime.
So, drinking lemon balm tea can help calm your mind and reduce stress?
Exactly. It's a great option if you've had a hectic day and need something to help you unwind. Lemon balm tea can also improve mood and cognitive function, which can be beneficial if you're feeling mentally drained.
That sounds wonderful. Are there any other benefits to lemon balm tea?
Yes, in addition to its calming effects, lemon balm has been used to improve digestion and relieve symptoms of indigestion, which can sometimes interfere with sleep. So, if you have a sensitive stomach, it might be particularly helpful.
That's good to know. It sounds like lemon balm tea has a lot of benefits beyond just helping with sleep. What's the final tea on our list?
Now, let's discuss the fifth and final tea on our list, passion flower tea.
Passion flower tea sounds interesting. How does it help with sleep?
Passion flower tea is made from the leaves, stems, and flowers of the passiflora plant. It has been used to treat insomnia and anxiety by increasing the levels of gamma aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain. GABA reduces brain activity, which helps you relax and makes it easier to fall asleep.
So, it works in a similar way to valerian root and lemon balm by increasing GABA levels?
Exactly. By boosting GABA, passion flower tea helps to calm the mind and reduce anxiety, making it easier to achieve restful sleep. Studies have shown that drinking passion flower tea can improve sleep quality and help you stay asleep longer.
That's really helpful to know. Are there any specific benefits or side effects I should be aware of with passion flower tea?
Passion flower tea is generally considered safe, but some people might experience mild side effects like dizziness, confusion, or an upset stomach. It's always best to start with a small amount to see how your body reacts and consult with a healthcare professional if you're taking other medications.
That makes sense. Is passion flower tea good for people who have trouble staying asleep, not just falling asleep?
Yes, Passion flower tea can be particularly helpful for those who wake up frequently during the night. By promoting a deeper, more restful sleep, it helps to reduce nighttime awakenings and improve overall sleep quality.
It sounds like passion flower tea could be a great option for a lot of people struggling with sleep issues. This has been really informative, Dr. Mike. Thank you for explaining all these herbal teas and how they can help with sleep.
You're welcome, Sarah. I'm glad you found the information helpful. Remember, finding the right tea might take some experimentation, and it's always a good idea to combine these natural remedies with good sleep hygiene practices for the best results.